Hello fellow moms, today is going to be a messy Monday cleaning motivation, and today I will be tackling my weekly bathroom cleaning. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am Stephanie, and here at Consider It All Joy, I share a lot of cleaning videos, organizing, cooking, home, everything motherhood related content. If you like those type of videos, please continue watching for some of this Monday cleaning motivation. So to start off this cleaning day, I am going to start with the kitchen, and I'm going to be washing these dishes using a nice tip from Justine Marie here on YouTube. She's a fellow YouTube mom, and she does such a great job at sharing her healthy and natural ways of living. And so one of her hacks or tips was that to get the largest pot or bowl in the sink and add water and soap to that pot, and basically clean all the other dishes using the water only from that pot, so to help conserve water. And that is something I have been guilty of, but also trying to be more mindful of as well. So I will only have like the water running if I need to get something really scrubbed out of the dish. But I do try to be mindful and turn off the water when not in use. But I think this idea will definitely be better to help conserve water. So if you're new to my channel, I typically like to start my days off with a 30-minute cleanup. This involves cleaning the kitchen really quick, and it's basically more than anything cleaning countertops, stovetops, and sometimes the microwave. The microwave is a hit or miss. Sometimes it's really messy and sometimes it's not. So depending on the scenario, it'll get done. And then I basically clean the dishes and run them in the dishwasher and put any dishes away. I tidy up the living room and add a load of laundry and take out any trash if needed, but most of the time my husband takes out the trash. However, today was a little bit different. We started the day a little bit late. We had some thing to do for my husband's job, and so when we came back it was a little bit later, so it was already time for Ezra's nap. And I don't like to make noise. Our house is very small and his room is very close to the kitchen, so I waited till he woke up from his nap and started cleaning really quickly. And then I quickly had to prepare dinner. I typically like to prepare dinner around 4, so I did something simple because I was running around like a chicken without its head this day, with having to film for the video and then having to clean and cook all at the same time. So I did a quick dinner meal. I did drumsticks, barbecue drumsticks, and some quick instant mashed potatoes. I don't do anything fancy to the mashed potatoes or to the chicken. I basically season the chicken with salt and pepper, and then at the end barbecue. And then for the mashed potatoes, it's just butter, water, and salt and pepper, and basically add salt to taste. And I just start mixing it to the consistency that I like. After finishing up putting some clothes in the washer, I heard the beep for the oven, so the chicken were ready. So I added some of the barbecue sauce, and this is just Kraft brand barbecue, sweet barbecue, I think in the original flavor, and I just put that all over the chicken and then put it back for 4 minutes just to soak in that flavor. And then I attempted to tidy up the living room, but Ezra was really entertained with playing on the seat there with his truck, so he didn't want to move, and I didn't want to move him either. He was having fun. So here's my dinner plate. I forgot to add a third side, but it was delicious nonetheless. So after dinner, I cleaned up the table here. We like to take the table runner and the centerpiece off just so that the runner doesn't get dirty, because it is like a white creamy color, so I don't like for that to get dirty, so we take it off every time we sit down for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Next, I'm just going to give the floors a little vacuum, and I'm going to be using my Swiffer to clean up the floors. I love this little vacuum. I swear I've used it in almost every single one of my videos. So now that I'm done with my daily routine, it's time to get on my weekly duties, and this involves cleaning the bathroom. So this is the guest bathroom. I'm starting off with cleaning the toilet bowl. At the time that I'm filming this video, I did not have time to go make a grocery run, so I did not have any paper towels anymore, so I was using bits of toilet paper to clean the rims of the toilet seat and the back of the toilet. And I also remembered that I had purchased these pink gloves from Dollar Tree to use specifically to clean those areas, because that is the grossest thing to me. I hate cleaning. The bathroom is my least favorite thing to clean, but I know it has to get done, and it grosses me out. So I had to go get my gloves and put them on to finish cleaning. Also, if you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. It will help me and YouTube know that you like these type of videos, and it would just be greatly appreciated. Just going to be folding a little bit of laundry that came out of the dryer, and I will fold it and put them away where they belong. Now that all the clothes is put away, it's time to tackle the master bathroom. So this is the bathroom that is most used by 2 adults, so it gets the most grossest and I did not want to clean it, and I knew it had to get done. I think I had slacked off for about a week or 2, so it got extra gross. I'm not gonna lie, it's just my least favorite thing to do. I'm just gonna be completely honest. finished cleaning the sink and the countertops, I gave everything that lives on top of the countertop just a quick wipe through, and I ended up wiping the little lamp that stays on here and the vase and the soap dispenser. After vacuuming the floors, I went ahead and tidied up this little space, which is supposed to be like my towel linen area. It is really small, so I don't consider it so much a linen as it stores more of my towels. So I just tidied that up and made room for the new cleaned towels and put all the hand towels at the top of the basket. And this is the quick view of the bathroom cleaned up. Hey mama, thank you so much for sticking around to the very end of this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to be part of the Consider It All Joy family, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. I hope you got inspired and motivated to tackle your bathroom, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye bye.